Yes, good morning. This is Dawn from Xiamen Hanin, and this is our new product. It takes only 4 hours to finish the printing. And one of the advantage is the cost saving, because for example, the price of this printer is about 30,000, and this is the material we're using. It's a mixture of resin. There's a screen here, so you put light on the screen, and that's how it forms the shape. I'm going to introduce this industrial grade 3D printer. So you can see we supply the whole printing solution, and we sell this printer as a set. So that includes one printer and one extra build unit and one post-processing unit. So here you can see this sample. This shows the maximum size we can print on this printer. And to complete this, it takes about 11 hours to print. And the material we use is PA12, nylon PA12. And we also use TPU. What's good about our products is compared to other printer, lower maintenance costs, and we have competitive price on the consumables. And here you can see here's a cool small racing car, and this is the steering and the hub and the seat and the bar. This all printed from this printer. Many clients coming asking about these products, and they're all asking when can we ship these products to them. Our printer will be ready for selling by this July, but first it will be available in China domestic markets, and for overseas it may take a little bit longer time for the certification.